Hi Nolan, I miss you. Are you ready to see your sim? Let's take a look and then we'll take care of our pets. Let's see where you are. There you are. Hey Nolan, looking handsome. Okay, let's take care of Patches first. And you wanted to play with the laser pointer. So where is Patches? Let's see if she's coming here. There she is. She comes running to you. Aww. Okay, play with the laser pointer. Super. I like your shirt. Your friends are back from school. I brought you home from school early. Cool. Patches loves the laser pointer. And then we're going to play with some of Rosie's toys with her. So I'm going to call Rosie over. And we'll get ready to play with her. Oh, there's Mia C. Let's see if Rosie comes. There she is. All right, Rosie. Let's play with her. Patches is thinking of Lucas. Let's see if we'll play a little bit of fetch with her, because that's one of her toys. What is Patches doing? Oh, she's scratching the bed. Oh dear. Bad kitty. Should we tell her to stop? Maybe, right? Lecture about scratching. Let's tell Scratches to stop. Scratches. Let's tell Patches to stop scratching. Oh, she already stopped. Oh, Rosie brought it back to you. She's a good girl. Let's try again. Rosie and Patches always chase their own tail. It's so funny. All right, and throw it, Nolan. Woo! Good job. Why don't we go say hi to Mia? Because Mia's just standing there. Let's go talk to her. And we'll make fun of adults together. Mia, why are you just standing there, silly? Oh, I see Delia's down there. I'm so excited for our big party. Alright, Nolan, come on over. There we go. Oh, hugs! See, we can hug each other in The Sims. Awesome. All right, Nolan, I miss you. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking care of our class pets. See you later.